the sides are all proportional. So this is angles are congruent. This one is sides are proportional. Okay, so in other words, 5, 6, 7, 25, 30, 35. Are these similar?
Yes.
Yes. I know they're the same shape, I did it on purpose. But think about it. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 7 times 5 is 35. So if their scale factors are all the same, then they would be an SSS. Does that make sense?
Fine.
Is everybody following me?
Yes.
So far that's 2 ways. The third way. The third way is, what do you think it is? This one deals with angles. This one just deals with sides.
Angle, side. Angle, side.
And what do you think the sides have to be?
Okay, fair enough.
What do you think the sides have to be?
Congruent.
No.
Proportional.
Proportional.
Wow.
The sides are what? Proportional.
Okay.
And the angle has to be what? What do you think the angle has to be?
Proportional.
No.
The same.
Congruent.
Mm.
Why does the angle have to be congruent? Because if the angle is not congruent, then it is not the same shape.
Correct.
Because remember, similar triangles and similar shapes must stay the same shape in order to be similar. Is that fair? They can change the size of them, but you cannot change the shape of them.
There's no royal road to.
Now, this is royal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can't change this one. There are some times when you can, this is not one. Caleb, good try. All right, is there any questions?
No.
So here's what you're going to be doing. What they're going to do is they're going to give you something like this. And this is one example. And they're going to say, are these two triangles similar? And how would you check to see if they're similar?
Angle.
I will check say if there's angles.
I would say
Are there any angles? We don't have any angles marked. So can't use angle one. That means the only one that can be is this one. How would you check this one? You check the proportions. 5 and 25 is 5 different. 6 and 30 is how many different? 7 and 35. Is everybody following? So let's try another one. If you see a triangle like this,
Whoa.
Whoa. Slow it down.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna go with angle on that one.
why would these two triangles be similar if they are?
The angles are congruent.
We have one angle and one angle, right?
Right?
We have another angle and another angle. Yep.
Third is congruent.
So therefore, why are these two triangles congruent? Good. So now let me ask you this question. If this is 4 and this is 12, this is 5, what is this?
15.
Yeah.
15. How did you get that, Caleb?
Because
Explain it to us.
4 times 3 is 12.
Okay, 4 times 3 is 12, so 3 times 5 is?
78.
Well, 3 times
So to be honest, you could
You said it right earlier.
I know.
15. Is everybody following, guys?
That was a joke.
Are you seeing this? Are you following? What you need to understand is all you're doing. So remember, yesterday all you did was proportions, right? And now today you need to know that they are similar, and then once you prove they're similar, then you can solve your problems. Does that make sense? And then you have to know how to solve. Yes.
So for that one, now that it has those numbers on it, and we've considered that the sides are proportional, we could
Okay,
use that as
so-
yes.
If it was listed like this, let's say I erase this, would these be similar? Yes. Why? The sides are both what? Proportional, and the angle is. So this would be sides, angle, side. So you'd use that as your reason if it was like this. Okay. So let me give you a third. Let me give you a third one. Another example. Okay. So similar or not similar?
So 1
Not similar.
Not similar. Why?
Because
six
there's
doesn't go
not
inside.
more than one congruent.
Okay, so 7 times 4 is 28. So 7 times 6 has to be 42. Is that 42?
No.
So that is not, so therefore these are not similar.
Wow.
That is a flag on the play.
Denied.
Denied, right? Even the NBA referees will get that one right.
Hey.
Shots.
All right.
Think
Any
so.
questions? Is everybody following this?
That's funny.
That's what you have to do in this lesson. Okay? Has everybody got it? So here's your homework. You have 10 minutes to work on it in class.
Woo!
Can I stop the video?
Yep, stop the video. Page.
That's what